Good morning, everybody. My name is Suhaib El-Fakri, and I'm presenting Talent Ninja. So Talent Ninja is going to be something I'm looking to offer as a part of the suite of tools for actors and talent agents in Hollywood. So the goal here is to make things better for payment processing in the entertainment industry. And so I am going to dive right in and talk about how. So I use the ARC network for processing payments. I'll use USDC payments, Circle Gateway to have the pre-funded wallets and distribute instant withdrawals to any agency, talent, or actors, and the 402 protocol to handle all these payments on the web. And of course, I integrated Google Gemini AI to understand payment commands in plain English, so payments can be made in natural language. So let's go right into the story here. I started at Apple in 2018. By 2019, I was sick of staring at a screen, and I decided I wanted to become an actor. And so I learned a lot about the pain points of being in the industry, from being behind the screen, in front of the screen, and managing clients and rosters. I built Casting Ninja out of the need that I discovered by being in the industry, that there are 3 points: finding work, managing clients, and just getting paid. It took forever. Casting Ninja was something that I used to solve the first 2, finding work, managing clients in a way that was easy, but payments is something that was not solved yet. And so this hackathon gave me an opportunity to experiment with something that I could possibly offer my customers. My customers are both unrepresented actors and talent agencies. Payments can be instant as opposed to the usual settlement times of 30 days, 60 days, and 120 days. So imagine this. We wrap up a production. 12 people managing this production are waiting to get paid. That can take 3 months. And of course, if you're living paycheck to paycheck, as many struggling artists do, it can be very complicated in that. But also holding and managing all this money as it moves hands is also very expensive. And so the traditional way is a little bit out of date, and Hollywood is very behind technologically. There are problems in ACH. This could take multiple days for payments to process. The payroll system is broken and very outdated. Freelancers, of course, are struggling, waiting to get paid, and their day-to-day is very unreliable. So smart contract settlement is something that as soon as the production ends, we could trigger near instant payments to any one of these crew or talent. In this demo, we're showing that if we're going to be acquiring customers, we want to be able to show them how this works on a test net. And so this is powered by Circle. So we have a functioning demo where we could show how if we could start sending payments immediately. And this is an example of how just in a click, I've triggered 2 payments, which you can view on the blockchain and see that these payments can be made instantly. Now imagine applying this to something like a client roster where I'm already managing actors and talent.
And the time is up. Time for questions.
Any questions?
You definitely understand the financial pains of being an actor. I live in LA, by the way, so yeah. So I really appreciate kind of like your background and understanding the pain points. Question: how are you using Gateway in your application?
So Gateway right now, you could see on the top here, I have a wallet funded, and I have the wallet that is holding the money that I'm getting from the testnet, the faucet, and then I fund the Gateway wallet with whatever amount, and I'm using the 402 protocol to be able to use the withdraw. So we get balance, deposit, and withdraw. So those are the APIs that we're using to, I guess, operate this.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And so the pain point, let me try to understand this correctly. I'm an actor, or I work on a production crew. I want to be paid immediately because cash flow is like existential. Like it's critical to be living because of like the consulting work and how the industry works, and people don't have frequent, checks coming in every 2 weeks.
Correct.
Gotcha.
The goal here is we're already appealing to these agencies by giving them value in terms of client management. Adding frictionless payments is just another way to kind of ease them into something new. You know, it's just telling them about blockchain and crypto is not going to bring any of them on. But telling them we're going to save you time. That's the value that we give to them. We save you time and we allow you to kind of scale your resources with limited staffing, which you could tell boutique agencies, tier 2 and tier 3, they don't really add any more actors to their roster simply because they can't afford it. And so making it easier for them to do things like this eases them into new technologies. And so that's the goal behind Casting Ninja. We already have about 10 agencies on our roster and about almost 500 actors using this right now. If you use things like Backstage or Casting Networks or Actors Access in the past, this is basically automates the process of finding and submitting to work. But now payments is something that the agencies can use to speed up paying their clients.
Now, would, in your conversations with some of these agencies, you know, with the actors or the production talent, would they be interested in receiving the money in USDC, or they're looking to connect it to some type of debit card?
So exactly, the goal here is that they would be given the debit card. They wouldn't be worried about the blockchain,
Right,
or knowing that anything is happening behind the scenes on the blockchain.
Gotcha.
They're just not going to get paid faster.
Gotcha.
Yes. Do you have a question? Please.
Yeah, I can do mine.
Well, thank you for this presentation, and this literally gets a point. I really need to connect you with my firm. I wish they can use your product. The payroll system, it really sucks. Just kidding. Well, I'm kind of curious because I feel like speaking of payroll, another point is the tax. You see, it's like, you know, even for crypto now, you want to get us to pay tax, and it just kind of pass along this whole system. So how about a W2 or a 109 form, all this form, for example, you like incorporate all of them in your system like automatically, or it's on the way?
So there are a few things. Under a certain amount, talent is usually responsible of filing their own taxes. But anything greater than a certain amount, we're looking to offload that to a third party. And so we're going to be partnering with third parties to be handling tax. A lot of these companies already have infrastructure built in for managing this. But again, for our on-ramp, for our off-ramp, there's going to be a third party involved in handling taxes. But we're not going to.
Good, thank you. I'm asking this because it's around the tax season, and if there is some kind of, but really grateful for that. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now it's time for the team Long Protocol Labs.